Tunisian culture has a lot to offer, and Sousse Medina is one place to experience it. Tunisian people, Tunisian clothes, Tunisian food, Tunisian leather goods. And if you are into cheap brand names, Sousse Medina is the place for you. Enjoy the tour.
زيادة الكل في الشرق الأوسط. هو الأساس التعاون
I really enjoyed my time in the Medina, but I should say that you should be careful of scammers. You need to be vigilant and you need to be assertive. That was my experience. What has been yours in Tunisia? Well, we are coming to the end of this vlog. I hope you are enjoying it and you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video, and do watch the videos in the upcoming cards. There are more Tunisia vlogs. This is Lesson World, where we travel the world together.